We are looking at how to pronounce this Spanish name, as well as how to say more interesting and often unclear names, including from Spanish as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how this is said in Spanish is as Rogelio, Rogelio. Well, if you cannot pronounce this in English, you can probably try saying it as Rogelio, Rogelio. Just replace the G with an H in the middle and do not roll the R. If you cannot do it, just say Rogelio. But in Spanish again, Rogelio, Rogelio. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.